everyone, thanks for watching Trippin' with Red. Today we are here at beautiful Disney World. Heading off to the parks and gonna have a great day. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Now let's go have some fun. We are here at Hollywood Studios. We have a fast pass for Toy Story Mania. The wait times are incredible right now here, so I don't know how long we're actually going to stay here today. Likelihood is we're going to escape and go somewhere else to get away from the crowd. But we wanted to get on Slinky Dog, and the wait time when I checked was like 105 minutes. And yeah, no, that's not happening for me. So anyhow, we'll see what we can do, but no matter what, we're at Disney, so life is good. And if we can't get on any other rides, then we'll go somewhere else, and either way, we're gonna have a great time. So let's go into Hollywood here and have some fun. I am obsessed with the Disney Skyliner. It's so scary and creepy, and yet I love it, if that makes sense.
It's just scary and creepy on the outside of it, watching him do that.
It's so wild, but I really like it. Who would have guessed?
I thought you were going to go.
It scares me so bad, but yet I still want to get on it. I don't know why. We are going on Toy Story Mania. I'm gonna try to redeem myself on this one since Gary beat me so bad the last time.
Yeah, since you were one-handed and using the camera.
Yeah, that's my excuse.
That's how you did it.
That's my excuse.
Yeah. Getting
ready to get on Toy Story Mania, and I'm going to win this time.
I imagine you will. You almost beat me last time.
No, I lost. I lost. I'll own it.
I think I passed out.
Whatever. Prepare to lose.
I'm prepared. I'm good.
Somebody go home, right?
I'm trying to get into something that's easy to get into.
What's twisting?
And here we go. Are you ready?
Yep.
Ready?
I'm ready to ride.
soon. You've earned your star.
Woohoo! Yeah. We're doing it. We're doing it. I have a hard time with the ring toss. Not very good with it. Woo! Oh my goodness. Gary had 129.6 and I had 151.5.
You smoked me.
I redeemed my title.
One hand holding the camera on the bear skin.
Oh, look at that! Look at that!
Well, it was fun.
Oh my gosh! Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Oh yeah.
Hands on, knuckles on the ground now, so.
Yeah. Just gonna have to admit defeat. That's just the way it is.
I do like it.
Not admit your feet.
Oh, not
admit defeat.
Oh.
Oh, it's so smooth. Are we in Illinois? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I never wondered about Illinois. This is it.
Oh my gosh. I know. So funny. Yeah. I like the barrel of monkeys.